How to start meeting on Microsoft Teams for iPhone. Meetings in Teams include audio, video, and sharing. In Teams, there are two ways to initiate real-time communication. A user can call another user directly, or a user can create a meeting. For calls, the media, audio, video, or desktop or application sharing travels as directly as possible. If, for example, there's no firewall between two users, media traffic travels directly from one user to another. If a firewall blocks direct traffic between the user, the traffic will be sent via a relay. To start the meeting on Microsoft Teams for iPhone, tap on the Meetings tab. Now tap on New Meeting button. You can write or edit the title of the meeting. You can enable or disable audio and video. To start the meeting, click Start Meeting. From the start, you will be able to invite persons to the meeting. You can copy the meeting link or send an email. On the top, you will have two buttons. The chat button will open the conversation, and the participants button will show you the current persons in the meeting, and you will be able to invite somebody to the call. On the call, you will have a button to start and stop the video. You can put here audio on mute or unmute. On the three dots menu, you can put the meeting on hold, share screen, raise your hand, end the meeting, and turn off the incoming video. On raise hand, you can show the organizer of the meeting you wish to say something. This is how you start a meeting on Microsoft Teams on iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.